Welcome back again, guys, to V.S.L Concept ICT Academy's YouTube channel, the one and only channel where we'll unravel the mysteries of the digital world and set you up for your marketing success. Today, we will be revealing 6 mistakes that you have been making. Wow, you may not know you have been making these mind-blowing, cost-effective mistakes. Today, we'll be revealing them to you so that can help you now make informed decisions when it comes to marketing your product or your services. We would not just be showing you these mistakes, I will also be showing you how to avoid them. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel where we'll be giving you so many more tips on how you can scale up your business and avoid mistakes that would bring down your reputation online. Without wasting time, let us head on to the very first mistake or the very first myth that we'll be busting today. What is that? It is the fact that so many persons feel that digital marketing delivers instant results. Yes, we've seen cases of customers, clients who probably have products that they want to sell in 7 days' time. I want you to implement digital marketing strategies on this product so I can start selling immediately within 7 days. So many business owners have this ideology. My sales is starting up on the 5th. Today is 1st, and you want to run ads to make sales through digital marketing. My dear, that is a mistake that you are making. The fact remains that for you to professionally implement digital marketing strategies to a product or a service you want to promote, there are so many background work you need to do. You need to get a sales page or a landing page. Yes, it takes time for you to actually do this. Now, let's even imagine that you've started running your ads. You need to ensure that you split test your ads. Yes, to ensure that you get strategies that would actually be perfect for that particular product or service that you are offering. It is not a 2 days thing, 3 days thing, or 4 days thing. You actually need time to do all of this split testing. It may also interest you to know that digital marketing is not all about spending money to run ads. Yes, most times you do what we call search engine optimization. That is optimizing your product or services on a search engine. So when people go there to search for your product, you would come up as a result naturally without spending money for ads. SEO is not something you do in 1 week. SEO is not something you do in 2 weeks. Neither is it something you do in 3 weeks. As we go forward in this video, we would unveil some more mistakes or misconceptions that people have about SEO. So the very first myth we are busting today and right here is that you should not feel that digital marketing delivers instant results. This is not to say that you cannot get instant results, but instant results are rare when it comes to digital marketing. Patience and consistency are the keys to success when it comes to digital marketing. Aha! I can see some marketing professionals who are actually watching this video say, yes, tell them that these things are not instant. Well, that is the fact. The second myth or mistake that we are going to bust today is the fact where people feel that boosting posts on Facebook or Instagram is the best ad strategy. In fact, because Facebook will want to show business owners that you can actually boost posts. What do I actually mean by boosting posts? Once you head over to your Facebook page, like as you can see on my screen, immediately under a post that you have made, for example, this post we have here on this page, you are going to see boost posts. Facebook or Meta is giving you the opportunity to promote this post, showing this to more people. In fact, in 3 easy steps, you can easily boost the post and the ads go live. So many persons have these misconceptions that when you boost a post on your page, it is the ideal way for you to run ads. The truth remains that boosting posts, as I've just shown you, might seem the easiest way to run your ads, but it is far from the most effective way to run your ad. Instead, you want to use Facebook Ads Manager to create highly targeted campaigns with detailed objectives like lead generation or sales. Yes, that's exactly how to run your ads. In fact, on this YouTube channel, I have an extensive video showing you how to professionally run Facebook ads. That video will be added in the description below. So after watching this video, ensure that you go to the description below, get that link and watch that video where I'll be showing you how to run Facebook ads from your ads manager professionally. Yes, the second myth is clear. Boosting posts is not the best Facebook ads strategy. The next myth or mistake that people have been making or misconceptions that people have that we will be breaking today is the fact that people feel that paid ads are all you need for your campaigns to be successful. Yes, people feel that you just need to run ads and you are good to go. Well, the truth is digital marketing has so many factors. In fact, it is likened to a puzzle that has so many points. Now, paid ads is just one aspect of that puzzle. Yes, it is more effective when you actually pair up these paid ads with solid organic strategies. Yes, these ads bring people in. It is just a lead generation. It brings them in, but these other strategies that are part of this puzzle is what will actually convert them to sales. It will not just convert them to sales, it will actually ensure that they keep coming back to you. So please and please, if you know you want to promote a brand, if you know that you actually want to sell a service or probably sell a product, paid ads are not the only thing that you need. Know that and know that for good right now. I'm sure that you may be wondering, okay, if you say that paid ads are not the only thing I need, what are those other things that I actually need? Well, I will give you 3 other basic things that you need to do in order for you to actually get long-term success. The very first thing on our list I'll be giving to you is to ensure that you do what we call SEO. I talked about SEO a while ago while I was talking about the very first myth that we'll be busting. SEO simply means search engine optimization. It is the act of you optimizing a web page, product or service on a search engine, for example, Google. So when people search for things related to that product or service, you come up as a result. Yes, that is free. So SEO is one part of that puzzle that you would actually be using to promote your product or services. The second I'll be giving to you is what we call email marketing. Email marketing is another part that necessarily does not involve you spending money for ads. No. Basically, it is you selling your products and services to an email list that you already have. Email marketing is another part of that puzzle that you need to integrate into your marketing strategies in order for you to do what? To get long-term success. And what is the third part? That basically, that does not really require you running paid ads. That is SMS marketing. By the time you integrate SMS marketing, email marketing, SEO, in addition to the paid ads, I assure you, you are open to get long-term success because you would engage with your customers and they would keep coming back. I am very sure that you are getting mind-blowing value from this content we are giving to you. If you know that you are getting value from this content, come on, go down there to the comment section below and just tell me, I am getting value for this. In fact, tell me which of these myths I've just mentioned that amazes you. And then ensure you like this video and ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Without wasting time, we are going over to the fourth myth that we'll be breaking today. Yes, the fourth mistake that people take. This mistake is one thinking that SEO is a one-time task. Yes, some persons feel that once they finish optimizing their page, that is done. They have completed SEO and they are good to go. The truth is that SEO is not a one-time thing. As you know, search terms that people use to search for things are changing all the time. Yes, you need to be observant to know when your users have changed from searching for this to searching for this. So you have to update your content all the time. What are some of these contents that you want to update? Number one, you should ensure that your keywords are updated all the time. Number two, you always want to ensure that the structure of your website is always prioritized for mobile views all the time. And of course, as mentioned, you want to ensure that all the contents on the page meet all the SEO requirements for the platforms that you want to optimize them for. So please, SEO is not a one-time task. It is a continuous process. The fifth myth that we'll be busting today is the myth where people feel that email marketing is dead. In fact, when we talk to some clients and tell them that we'll be implementing email marketing on a product, the reaction is, what? Do people still open emails? Yes. So many people feel that email marketing is engraved. They feel that it is buried. But wait, let me tell you, email marketing is not even close to being dead. Not even talk of being buried. Email marketing is still one of the most effective tools for reaching your audience. In fact, statistics have it that email marketing has one of the highest ROIs that business owners can think of. It has an ROI of 4,200%. Yes, that is how high the ROI is. And you might be wondering, why is it that email marketing is still alive? For two major reasons. One, it offers personalization to your customers. It helps your customers see that you are talking to them one-on-one directly. You have access to them all the time. And secondly, it gives you the option to segment your audience and start sending targeted messages to them. So if you are among those persons that feel that email marketing is dead, is no longer working, come on. It is time for you to change that mindset and see how you begin to integrate email marketing into your business. Yes, we have a free ebook that would actually help you integrate email marketing into your business processes. How can you get that ebook? The link to download the free ebook is right there in the description below. Get it, use it, and thank me later. We are gradually coming to the last myth we'll be unveiling in this video. That is the myth that you can actually automate everything when it comes to digital marketing. I laugh when people tell me that, please, you can just do the automation process, do the setup for me, for my business, and we will now allow it to run on autopilot. Digital marketing? Really? Well, the truth remains that automation is a great tool when it comes to digital marketing. Yes, we can automate posts to drop when we want them to drop. We can also automate our ads to run when we want them to run. But the truth remains that automation can never ever replace the human touch that we get from our marketing strategies. It is also very important to note that over-automating your process can make your brand feel so robotic, and this will disconnect you with your audience. You want to ensure that you use the automation features wisely for repeated tasks. So please, do not feel that when it comes to digital marketing, you can automate everything that needs to be done on digital marketing. No doubt you have learned something from these 6 mistakes we have highlighted that people do make. What are you expected to do? Ensure you refrain from making these mistakes. See how you can upgrade your skills, avoiding all of these mistakes I've shown you so you can take your business to that greater height. Digital marketing is all about strategy, patience, and continuous learning. Now, if you know that you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Come on, like this video now. Ensure you subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And ensure that you share this video so many other persons can learn these mistakes and avoid them. And do not forget to go to the comment section below and tell me your biggest surprising moments in all of these tips we have talked about. Come on, let's discuss. Go there, tell me, I did not know that this was not supposed to be so. Or I did not know that ads is not it all. I did not know that I'm not supposed to do this. So come on, let's have a conversation in the comment section below, and I'll be there to answer your questions. And until next time, ensure that you keep learning new things that will take your business to a greater height. I'll see you in our next video.